In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV into Retool. By the end, you'll be comfortable bringing your spreadsheet data into Retool either as a brand new table or by adding rows to an existing one. Start on your Retool home dashboard. From here, look to the left sidebar and click Database to open Retool Database. This is where all of your Retool native tables live and where imports happen. Let's begin with creating a new table from a CSV file. Click the plus button, or the option that says Create New Table. In the dialog that opens, choose Import CSV, then select Into a New Table. Pick your CSV file from your computer. Before you proceed, make sure your CSV is clean. The first row should contain clear column headers, and the values in each column should be consistent. If Retool prompts you to adjust column names and types, take a moment to review them. Rename columns for clarity if needed, and set the data types like text, number, date, or Boolean so they accurately reflect your data. If you see an option to set a primary key, choose a column with unique values, such as an ID, to help keep your data stable and easy to reference in queries. When everything looks right, click Import CSV. Retool will create a new table and load your data into it. Once the import finishes, you should see your rows and columns available immediately in the database view. Now, let's cover importing into an existing table. Open the table you want to import into from the database view. With the table open, click Import CSV and choose Into Current Table. Select your CSV file, and you'll be prompted to map fields. Carefully align each CSV column to the corresponding table column. Pay close attention to data types and naming so you don't accidentally place text into a number field or mismatch dates. If a CSV column doesn't belong in your table, leave it unmapped so it won't be imported. When your mapping looks correct, proceed to import. Retool will add your data to the existing table using the mapping you set. A few quick tips as you work. Consistent headers and clean data will save time and prevent errors. Large files might take a moment to process, so be patient and let the import complete. After an import, a quick scan of a few rows can help confirm that everything landed where you expected. That's it. You've learned how to import a CSV into Retool as a new table and how to bring data into an existing one.